Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful pouch using lemon peel stitch. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle, stitch marker and a button. This pouch looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. We have used lemon peel stitch to do this pouch. To do this lemon peel stitch, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet, double crochet and slip stitch. So to do this pouch, first we will do the rectangular shape till the required size and then we will do the button hole in one side and the other side we will fold them into three parts. So half part till for this pouch and half for this flap. So based on the width what you want for your pouch, you can fold till them. Then we will join the sides using needle and thread. Then we will add the button to form a beautiful pouch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful pouch using lemon peel stitch. Start with slip knot. To do this lemon peel stitch, the foundation chain should be any number of odd number. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 41 chain. To do the stitch, the foundation chain should be any number of odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After doing 41 chain, it looks like this. For next row, we are going to work in the third loop. So here if you see a chain, it is like V-like structure here. So this will be the front loop. This is the first loop. This is the back loop. This is the second loop. And if you turn the chain, you can see a bump-like structure at the back. So this is the third loop. So we'll be working on this third loop. So you are going to work on the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. You are going to do a single crochet. Insert the hook in this third loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing single crochet in the first stitch. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So this is how the lemon peel stitch. So that is, we'll be doing this just the repeat of these 2 stitches. Single crochet in the first stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the first stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. So you have to follow this till you reach the last stitch. So last stitch we will end them with the double crochet. So while we start a row, we started with a single crochet, and while you are going to end a row, we'll end with the double crochet. So this is how the lemon peel stitch looks. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. So you are going to start a row, so you'll start with a single crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to do them till you reach the end. To do this stitch, we have to do single crochet in the first stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. So we have to follow them till the required size of the project you are going to do. When you start a row, we'll start with the single crochet, and while you end a row, we'll end with the double crochet. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. So next we will be doing the buttonhole for this pouch. To do the buttonhole, fold it into 2 to get the center part. place a stitch marker in the center stitch. The chain 1, turn your work. We will follow the same pattern of the lemon peel stitch. Single crochet, next stitch double crochet, next stitch single crochet, next stitch double crochet. So likewise we'll be doing till you reach the stitch marker. After doing them, it looks like this. Next do chain 2, 1, 2. So this buttonhole you can do based upon the button you are using. Next remove the stitch marker, skip 1 stitch and do a double crochet in the next stitch. So now we have done the buttonhole. Next stitch single crochet. Since we have skipped 1 stitch, we will do a single crochet there. So next stitch you have done a double crochet. So you have to follow the same pattern. Next stitch double crochet, next stitch single crochet. So we have to follow them till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Next do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. The next you can fold them to form like this beautiful pouch. So we'll add a button here and then we are going to join both the sides. Now let's see how to join both the sides. So we will join both the sides by weaving them using needle and thread. So likewise you are going to join both the sides till you reach this end. Same way we have to join the other side also. Then we will add a button to this pouch. After joining the sides and adding the button, the pouch looks like this. Pouch using lemon peel stitch looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.